How do you make more money in your dance or theatre school today? Hey, I am Sarah. I am founder of The Dance Den, and I help dance, theatre and after-school activity providers to grow and scale their business on their terms. This is about having a life with a profitable business. All right, so let's talk about making more money today. And if I had to go out and make money in my business without fail today, this is what I would do. All right. Number one, I'd ask for the sale. Now that seems like a little bit of a really sad, come on. No, literally. There are so many people out there who do not ask for the sale. And that's the first step that you have to do. Why not just say, does that work for you? Would you like to book your trial in? Would you like to book this additional class? Would you like to buy this pair of jazz shoes or tap shoes? Do you know, or you could say, right, now that they've settled in this class, they really need to purchase the uniform or they need to purchase the correct shoes for their safety purposes. So can I sort that with you now? Do you have time now? Yeah, you ask for the sale rather than the, oh yeah, just get in touch with me. That'll be fine. We'll sort it out. That's not asking for the sale. Yeah, that's leaving them without a call to action or a direction for them to take. Yeah, so think about that when you get those inquiries in, rather than just saying, oh yeah, go ahead and book here. Sort of, put a bit of urgency to it and say, if you book by the end of today, then I can guarantee that she can have her trial next week. Rather than, so that gives that little bit of urgency to push people through. So don't be afraid to ask for that sale. Okay. And the next way I would do it was to make an offer to my to make an offer to my existing students. Now, this is a really good way to cross-sell your students into something else. Now, that offer could be incentivized if you wanted it to be, like a come and do a half-price trial next week in this class. You could invite them to specific classes. Do you know what? So-and-so is doing amazingly well. She should try this class because it really complements that one. Yeah. Or you can say, for all of next week, you can all do classes in this, and this class for 50% off. So make an offer to those existing students to cross-sell so that they can take those additional classes. Because if you can get one student in doing one class and you can get them doing two classes, then it's instant profitability for you. But it's also easier for you to upsell your current students than it is for you to bring new students in. All right, so that's another way I would do. The next one I would do is to go back over my inquiries that had come in who didn't sign up or show up. And I would chase them. And I would ring them. Because emails don't always get to where they need to go. When you need that money fast and you need it in there and then, you need to take the priority action of communication. Now, the priority action of communication would be a phone call. If you want instant action, if you want instant solutions, you make a phone call, you don't email. So I would pick up the phone and start ringing those people who made those inquiries because they were genuinely interested. They obviously loved what you were offering and loved what your school is about. They just didn't make that next step commitment into signing up for whatever reason. All right. So follow those people up. And those are the three things that I would do to make money in my dance or theatre school today. Okay. Now, where your focus goes, your energy goes. So if you put all your energy and focus into, I have to make money today, then that will be the driving factor for all the things that you do in the day. You won't get lost or procrastinate over something else, like, go and tidy your costume cupboard. Okay, is that going to make you money today? Well, no, not unless you're going to sell some of it. If you're going to work it out so that you can reduce your costings maybe on your storage unit and sell a bunch of costumes, is that going to make you money? Yes. But then you need that plan in your head to turn around and go, right, I'm given this 3 hours maximum and I am coming out with 3 sets of costume and I'm going to list them today. Now that means they're not just sitting there hanging around in your office, gathering dust, getting tripped over, getting sat on by the dog, right? It's not happening. You are making money today. And we get that sort of single-minded, blinkered focus, then the magic happens. So what can you do to make money in your school today? And why not come and join me on my webinar in May 24, where I'm actually talking about hidden profits and the money that you are leaving on the table in your dance school. All right? So come and join me on that webinar. I will drop the link in below for you. And go and make some money, guys. Go make some money.